Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is our sixth lesson of Noorani Qaida. In this lesson, we are going to read last three lines. So let's start. Fa. Please read after me. Fa. Noon. Noon. Read after me. Noon. Ya. Ya. Read after me. Ya. Ba. Alif. Ba. Alif. Ba. Alif. Noon. Alif. Noon. Alif. Read after me. Noon. Alif. Ta. Alif. Ta. Alif. Ya. Alif. Ya. Alif. Fa. Alif. Fa. Alif. Basin. Read after me. Basin. Yasin. Yasin. Noon sin. Read after me. Noon sin. Tasin. Tasin. Fasin. Fasin. Fajim. Read after me. Fajim. Taha. Taha. So Alhamdulillah, we also finished this page. So hope you like this video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.